Hey guys, Orange here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your old windscreen wipers with these new fresh ones. So we got a 2-pack here, and yeah, let's get into it. So you want to take the cover off. Okay, so here's our old windscreen wipers. As you can see, this thing is really damaged. It came out. It's really dirty and they're just not up to date, so we're going to change these with these ones. We're going to replace them. Okay, so to take it out, you want to lift it up, and then you want to like turn this thing like this, and then there's this little clip right there, and you want to push it. And once you push it forward, it should be like this. So it came off this thing, and then, oh my god. So now we're going to change it with this fresh one, really nice. So this is a J-type hook, and you want to attach it on. Now keep in mind, all cars are not the same, so you have to get the correct model for your car, otherwise you wasted money. But this is a Honda Civic. If you can see this little black thing right there, that should be on the bottom. If it's on the top, it won't work. So make sure it's on the bottom. Then what you want to do, you want to face the windscreen part upwards, and then you want to slide the bit through the hole over here, and then just slide it back in, and then you want to pull it up so that it's secure and firm, and voila, bon appetit. Oh, and make sure to take the plastic off here, otherwise you'll break your window. Okay, so we've got these. Now don't throw them in the bin, you want to throw them on the side of the road. Okay, make sure to put it in the bin. That was a joke. Oh my god, drop the camera.